Hello, Viking guests, crew, other colleagues and other friends around the world. And welcome to Food and Wine Week here on Viking TV. At this time of year, many cultures around the world give thanks to good harvests and get ready for the winter months ahead. So we thought we'd take you on a little food journey through time and place. On Monday, Viking guest lecturer Jill Ayres takes us on an archaeological tour of food in her presentation, Food, Glorious Food, a celebration of recipes through the ages. We continue our food journey on Resident Historian Tuesday when Dr. Michael Fuller explores how spices were prized commodities in the global trade market in his iconic lecture, How the Spice Trade Changed the World. Bartholomew Broadbent goes to England on Wine Wednesday and meets Master Sommelier Laura Riss from Gusbourne, the very successful producer of English sparkling wine. And they're joined by our good friend, the Earl of Carnarvon, to talk about how Highclere Castle is producing its own gin, that favourite British tipple. Anne Diamond meets one of our most colourful friends on Thursday. She is Barbara Lazaroff, who talks about her incredible career in the culinary world, from setting up the legendary Spargo restaurant in LA, which has hosted most of Tinseltown's movers and shakers, from both in front of the camera as well as behind the camera, to growing the Wolfgang Puck brand beyond Spargo, to feeding the hungry and helping everyone else along the way as much as she can. The kindest lady with a heart of pure gold she is, and we look forward to sharing Barbara with you on Thanksgiving Thursday. And the day after American Thanksgiving, which of course will be so different for so many this year, my colleague for well over a decade, Richard, has recruited his brave mother to show us how she makes her uncomplicated turkey leftover soup. Richard also takes us on a fantastic tour of his part of Massachusetts, packed with history as well as some of Richard's fond childhood memories. We end up in his favourite penny sweet shop, which I think will transport many of us back to our own childhoods. Mona Therese keeps on stretching us on Saturday, and I have to say the sounds of the warm ocean are particularly soothing as we move further and further into winter here in Norway. But luckily here in Norway we also have Sissel, and for most Scandinavians Sissel is synonymous with the last few weeks of the calendar year. And though she's unfortunately of course had to cancel many of her in-person concerts this year, we get her all to ourselves on Sissel Sundays, including this Sunday. Should you fancy getting creative and inspired by international flavors, we have made the recipes from our cookbook, The Kitchen Table, available online at thekitchentable.com. That's thekitchentable.com. Here you can travel around the world and experience destinations to which we sail through food. So should you want to get creative in a culinary way, I hope you engage with that. Happy viewing, cooking and eating, and particularly to all our friends in America this week, happy Thanksgiving. Bye for now.